I'm Bob. This is Carmen.
We've lived here in Buena Park for about 30 years now. Well, I started noticing the last 3 or 4 years that it was more difficult to try to get our furnace running, and this season it was very cold. And I ran across Nexgen. They were doing a tune-up less than everybody else.
We were out here a couple weeks ago with one of our technicians. We diagnosed that the system is not really repairable.
They thought it wasn't too safe. If we're having those kind of problems, it's something to think about investing in a new one. And we told them we were kind of not in a good way and it might not be possible.
The one that they've had hasn't worked in the last couple years. They've been using portable ones just to kind of get by on those cold nights and cold mornings.
I got a call from Ismael Valdez, the owner of the company, and he said he'd like to give us a hand with some repairs, seeing if they can salvage the unit. And they come out there this morning, surprised me at the door with not a repair.
So we're not here to fix the furnace. We are actually here to replace your furnace and your ducts.
A new furnace. As you can already tell, I'm not a person that's lost for words, and but they about shut me up.
So what Nexgen is doing with Project X is giving back to the community. We are donating a free furnace and a whole air distribution ducting system. Guys that back here are working hard. We're getting this thing in there so they'll have nice warm air for tonight. We're excited to bring this to them.
And they come out here and they do their business, and they were very professional. And
The workers were great workers.
I'm proud, I'm honored to work for a company that makes things like this happen. It's very, very heartwarming.
thank you, Ismael, and thank you, Nexgen and their crew, all your efforts to bless us with the support of the program. I'm speechless. I'm just so grateful and so, just so blessed.